Hello, my Darrenators. Hello, my Darrenators. So today, I'm at my mother's storage unit. At her storage unit, and I got to get her 3 TVs. This is 68. I got to get her. I got to get her 3 TVs and her washing machine and dryer. Okay. 3 TVs and washing machine and dryer. Okay, so y'all seen my storage unit. Now take a look at this one. Now take a look at this one. This is my mother's storage units. So I gotta get these TVs. So the good thing is it's right here, y'all. I see it's right here. So then I gotta get the washer and dryer too after that. And then I gotta put them on the trailer. So that's the task at hand. So the good thing is the TVs are let's see. The good thing is the TVs are lightweight. They're lightweight. They're not too bad. They're not too bad at all. I think I can put them right in the back of the. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, not too bad at all for this. All right. Well, okay. Here's another one. Yeah, this is all her stuff. It's all her stuff. So I gotta get all of it. Shift this stuff over. So next time I come, I have to get all this stuff out. I tried to get a U-Haul, but they was all reserved. So just had to get the television today. So I can get that's gonna be it for the day. All it's got to be shifted over now. It's all got to be shifted over. I don't know how they got the pen. I don't know how they did it. All this got to come down. All has to come down. All has to come down. TV's right here. I don't know how, y'all. We're gonna figure this out. See all the weight pushing up against the TVs. I can't get it. Can't get it out. Come on. TV number 2. I don't know where the remote controls is, but this is TV number 2. TV number 2 as well. And TV number 3. And TV number 3. Okay. All right, so now I gotta get this. Now I gotta get the wash machine and dryer. Wash machine and dryer out. Wash machine and dryer out. This is my niece and her family. My niece Keisha and her family. My sister's daughter. Yeah, my sister's daughter. That's them. One of my mother's pictures when some years ago, 10, 15 years ago. A picture of 10, 15 years ago. Now, the wash machine is here. The wash machine is there. So what we're going to do is, I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna move up closer so I can get the wash machine on. Closer. All right. All right. Okay, so let's go for the dryer. Well, I need to get the wash machine on first because it's the heaviest one. Hold up. That's the heaviest. The wash machine is the heaviest. We're gonna put the heavier one on first. My baronators. Her grill. She wants her fireplace. She wants her fireplace, but it's all the way back here somewhere. I don't even know where it is. I don't even know where the fireplace is. It's way back there somewhere. Oh, okay. I know where it is. I think it's this one that thing. Fireplace. Is this it right here? No. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Yep. Okay. I think I can get it for her. I think we can get it, yeah. We can get it. These some pretty chairs. These are some pretty chairs. Some old pictures. Old pictures. All of my uncles. That's my brother. That's my brother right here. That's my brother. Same mama, different dad. That's my brother right there, Anthony on the side. So, yeah, Keisha. Okay. So now y'all know my family. So now y'all know my family. So now y'all know my family. So next Saturday I get a U-Haul and I haul all this stuff to the house. So I'll do another video on next weekend. Okay. I'll get all this stuff out of here. But for today we just got what we can. Okay. So here is the wash machine. And she wants this fireplace too. So I'm gonna get this for her and put it in the back of my truck. Put it in the back of the truck right there. Okay, so yeah. All right. Thing's about to fall over here. Okay, that's good. So we put this over here. We're gonna put the dryer over in the corner. That's all I can do. Can't take no more. That's it. All right. That's it, y'all. That's it. Okay. All right, so that's it. It's real simple today. Real simple, don't the main room. Real simple. Real simple. Put that back on there. So next week I'll come and get all the rest of the furniture. So yeah, I get all the rest next week. I get the small U-Haul, and that's it. So I gotta wait for the guy. You know what? I don't even need him. I don't even need any help. I was gonna wait for the guy to come and help me. I don't even need him today. I don't even need his help, right? Matter of fact, so I'm gonna get in touch with the guy that Chris was gonna help, and Truth be told, I think I can move all that stuff in there on my own. Well, the dressing and stuff is in there, but I still can get it if I had to. But I don't need that guy help today. I'm gonna have my mother to call him and tell him that we're good. Okay, so y'all got that was my little project today. Y'all got to see a little something today. I will see y'all, my Darrenators, in the next video. I don't want to make the video too long and drawn out. I'll see y'all in the next video. This is Darren Moore for real. God bless y'all.